Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, guess what? It's Thanksgiving, and today we're going to do another science experiment with my cousin, Jackson, and me, and Aunt Arlene. This is over here, back of the camera. And so we are going to be doing a really cool balloon experiment. And it's going to be really, really fun. So don't forget to subscribe and comment and like this video down below. Alright guys, are you ready to get started? Yeah! So let's do this. You put 2 scoops of baking soda.
Step.
Oops. Oh, I forgot a step. Okay, let's try this again.
Okay.
So, we already put the baking powder in our balloons.
Okay.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our balloons, and this is with vinegar. So what we're going to do is take the balloon, put it over.
All right, now let's wait for everybody else to get to where you are. Don't empty.
This is my dad.
Hi, Dad. It's going down in there.
I can't see it.
It's not doing it.
Okay. Look.
Sorry guys, but if you need help, just ask.
That's right. Right. So Jackson's at that point. Now we gotta wait for Aiden. Aiden, what do you think's gonna happen?
It'll either mess up or it'll make carbon dioxide when we go into the balloon, and then the air will go into the balloon and then will fill up.
Oh, what do you guys think will happen?
Yeah, the same thing.
Oh, that's just our dog chief.
Same thing. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is you're going to just slightly lift your balloon up and let the baking powder fall in there. Let's see what happens. And leave the balloon on it. Pour it in.
Goodness, it's like carbon dioxide!
No, that won't go in.
You have poured it?
Oh wow! Oh my goodness! Oh! This is making too much carbon dioxide! Oh my goodness! Is it gonna?
Daddy's gonna help you do that. Whoa!
Look at Jalen's. Wow, look at that. Good job.
Wow!
Look at mine!
It's making its own chemical reaction. Isn't that cool?
Look at mine! I'm so happy!
You made your own gas for your own balloon.
Yay!
You have to use your own air. You made it your own gas.
How do we do it again?
Okay.
Can we do it again? Yeah, I got a balloon! We can make it again, Aiden.
Wait, you got plenty of balloons. So, you guys gonna say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching!
See you next time.
See you next time!